What's going on, guys? It's Self-Made from Self-Made FishingTV. Welcome back to the channel. I'm super stoked to have you guys. I hope you guys are happy to be here. But as always, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button for me, as well as hit that little notification bell so you guys can get notified when I release more content. I have a bunch of fishing content coming for you guys, as well as some how-to videos and tips and tricks. So if you guys enjoy a bunch of fishing content, I definitely recommend subscribing. But for today's video, I'm actually making a trip down to Florida. I'm gonna fish Lake Okeechobee one day. I'm getting a guided trip out on the lake, so that's gonna be a ton of fun. I can't wait to show you guys. The first few days, it's kind of tough. We're going down there very into December. First day of January, it's super warm there as far as what we're used to. You know, we're in the 30s and 40s here in Lexington, Kentucky, where I'm at. Down there, it's going to be in the 60s and 70s, but it's still a lot colder than what the fish are used to. We get there the first few days and it's kind of a struggle, but we do get down there and we get into some fish that last day. I'm super excited to show you guys that, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. What's up, guys? We're out here. We're at Alligator Lake, North Florida. First time getting out here. I'm gonna see if I can get a bass. I saw that there was a couple nice catches on Fishbrain. Thought I would check this spot out, see what I can do. I already snapped off a wacky rig out here. As you can see, super grassy. You guys can see it, which is kind of nice because this will be very similar, in my opinion, to what Okeechobee is going to be. We're fishing that for the next few days, but as you can see, just absolutely beautiful out here in Florida. Can't wait to try to hit one of these Florida bass. So let's see what I can do. Oh. Well, guys, day one. wasn't so successful. Came out here, kind of struggled. Went to 3 different spots. I'll have a couple of those clips in here from what I did get. Just I see a lot of stuff hitting on the top water, especially out here in the weed patches here. I saw a couple of things bust tonight. It's absolutely beautiful if you look out here. I'm having a great time. Weather right now is in the high 50s. Back home in Lexington, the weather for me was below 30, so it's great to be out here. I'm having a blast, even though I'm not catching anything. Tomorrow I'll be out on Lake Okeechobee. I'm gonna put all these clips together, make sure you guys get to see all that. I'm really hoping to get into some fish tomorrow. The next day I should be out on with a guide or either getting my own boat. I haven't decided yet. It'll be me, my fiance, and my son all out there. But hopefully tomorrow we get into some big fish. We'll be fishing. It'll be much warmer than what it was tonight. By the time we made it out here to Florida, it was like a 12, 13 hour drive for us, so it was definitely a ways. But my gosh, is it beautiful. But like I said, I'll be back out here tomorrow, so I'll see you guys then. What's going on, guys? We're back out here on day 2 Florida fishing. We're out here from the bank. This is the hotel that I stayed at last night. So, as you can see, absolutely beautiful out here. I got kind of an overcast going, which is nice. It was super hot. Woke up later than what I wanted to this morning, but I'm super happy to be out here. Way better than in Kentucky. There was watch for alligator signs out here, so I'm trying to be careful and watch what I'm doing. Tomorrow we've decided we're gonna hit up a Okeechobee guide here for some largemouth, do some shiner and artificial fishing tomorrow. So that'll be a lot of fun. But today we're gonna hit some of the canals around Okeechobee, hit the lake, probably from the bank. Got a couple different lures planned out to throw. Texas rig, wacky rig, chatterbaits, spinner baits, crankbaits, frogs, really anything I can catch them off of I'm gonna try out here. So let's go ahead and see if I can go ahead and get my first Florida fish. So first thing, we got June bug colored wacky rig. Place that we hit yesterday. It's kind of tough to throw the wacky rig. Here, I feel like you can get away with this. So. Good thing about fishing out here, anywhere you are, you're possible to catch a giant just with the nice weather. It stays consistent throughout the year here. It's our first one since we've been here. Super cool. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Just a small little guy. Not bad though for the first one. Sure she's happy for it. William, you want to...
Thanks, buddy.
He's on. at the next spot. Kissimmee River, I guess. That's William. He's eating seeds, flipping docks. That's what he does. Is that fish boiling over there? He's got fish boiling on this dock. Guys, it's crazy tough. Still day 2, day 1.5, whatever you want to call it. And I've really only had one nibble, and the fish came off through the grass. Pulling him back through the grass didn't feel very big. And then Donnell's got one. Will's also. I don't even think he's had a bite yet. So a lot tougher than what we expected, but we're still gonna get one. Let's get it. There we are, another spot. This looks kind of juicy. Pretty excited. There you go, bud. Oh.
She's the first off the shiders.
£2. See yours? Off the eye shiner. Jason feels little. Look at that. The spider is as big as that. Big as this guy. Alright, William's got one. Nice. Taking it under the boat. Let's go. Out here on Okeechobee. The colors on him. He's a nice looking fish.
Yeah, he's beautiful.
Good mouth on her. Yep, I did. What a dumb move. Well, guys, I stopped recording that one. But still a nice fish, and I'll get a release.
It may not be now.
First one on the artificial Okeechobee. What's going on, guys? I hope you guys enjoyed that footage. I was super excited to get out there and make it for you guys, so I hope you guys were happy to see it. But as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, please, if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button as well as the little notification bell so you can get notified whenever I release new content. As well as, if you guys have ever fished Lake Okeechobee, let me know in the comments what's the biggest largemouth bass that you've caught from Lake Okeechobee. And if you haven't fished out of Lake Okeechobee, just leave me in the comments what your biggest largemouth bass that you've ever caught is. I would love to hear it. I love responding to the comments. It's one of my favorite things about making these videos. So definitely would love to hear from you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. As always, it's Self-Made. I hope you guys are safe out there. I hope you guys get to hit the water, catch some fish, tight lines, and happy fishing.